So let's talk about how the shell feature works. So to use our shell feature, obviously we in 3D model, we go to our shell feature for whatever part we're looking at, and we hit the shell button. And the first thing it asks is, well, do you want to remove faces? And you can click on one face, or multiple faces, or no faces at all. Let's start with multiple faces. So I'll click on, I don't know, click on this face, and you can see what this does is, well, the shell's already enacted, so it's hollow and empty on the inside. You can kind of see how it's already hollow and empty on the inside, like me. But we can actually remove multiple faces. So I can click on this face as well, and that face is also gone. And let's go to the back. We can move this back face as well. And so what all does that do? Well, now these faces, so it's hollow and empty on the inside, but these faces are obviously gone, which is updated our part, which will be beneficial if we remove all these pieces to this part. That'll change the mass or the volume and the surface area and yada, 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 right? So then, let's go ahead and undo what we just did and look at different ways we can use the shell tool. I could hit the shell button and not remove any faces, and so it'll still be hollow and empty on the inside. I can change the thickness too if I want to. I could say 0.5 instead of 0.1, which apparently doesn't work because it's too small. 0.05 I could say, which makes it even thinner, right? And so the shell is there. It's still hollow and empty on the inside. We just can't see it. And okay, we can actually, let's go ahead and delete that shell. We can delete it, or we could undo, but I'm just going to delete it. And then let's do it one more time, but let's just remove one face. I don't know, let's just remove this front face here, and then we hit OK. And so hopefully you get the idea that you could very easily shell this out, but there are various ways to do it, and that's what removing one face or multiple faces do. It's either, the face is there or it's not. Either way, the shell is still there. It's still hollow and empty on the inside. It's just, did you remove a face in the process? And hopefully this helped you understand a little bit better how the shell tool works.